What's up, everybody? Phil from the Attic here. Got another review for you guys. A quick pickup I made recently on some New Balance maiden line. This pair right here is a 992, and retail was $175 on these. Crack these open. Got the Made USA paper. So I just picked these 992s up recently. I've never had a pair of 992s. I have 993s, 990s. I have some of the 500 line. I have a bunch of pairs, but I've never had a 992. And I decided to pick this colorway up recently. I first seen them pop up in stores like sneakers and stuff, and almost pulled the trigger then, but just glad I waited, since sneakers and stuff has a higher retail price because these are imported. These are made in USA, and then they had to import in there, and they have to import them to Sweden or overseas, wherever they ship them from. But yeah, this colorway, they've had a burgundy colorway before, but it was just burgundy and mostly gray, and I almost pulled the trigger on that one too, but happy I waited because this colorway came out, and this is a step above in my opinion. It's got that yellow to contrast really well with the burgundy, and you got that little absorb material right there with the yellowish color, and then you got this cream midsole down here, more yellow here. It's a different shade of yellow than this, but the N is actually that what you call it, Chanel material, that fuzzy rug like material, and the tongue is a bit of like a sail colorway, and you got white laces on there. Get the insole right there. Made in USA. You know the quality is always there with the New Balance Made line. There's been rumor recently about the New Balance Made line not fully being made in the US, but you know, I think what they do is they import the sole, so they can't. So they say maybe I think on the website they say they're 70% made in USA, which is better than nothing, because these materials, the suedes, have always felt premium on the Made line. Better than most Nikes, Adidas. New Balance is known for their quality. It's a great pair. Can't wait to put these on feet, see what they look like. Yeah, but it almost reminds me of like some college colors, like some USC colorway, but this is gonna look great on feet. And that contrast midsole right there looks really good. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. There's also that, I think it was a pair of 992s in the all yellow colorway, which I wish I had picked up, and now I think they're sold out. Yeah, there's the bottom. And you know the 990s are super comfortable. I haven't tried on the 992s yet, but I'm sure they will be comfortable since they're very similar to the 993s. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. What's your favorite colorways for the 992s right now? I know that black, the classic black with the white midsole, is really nice too. The all gray colorway, you stick with the all grays, you can't go wrong. But I just wanted a different colorway, and I wanted to try out the 992s, so this is my perfect opportunity to pick these up. Yeah, like and subscribe, guys, and thanks for watching.